FG is minus 5, 2, and HG is 4, 14. Calculate the magnitude of the vector HF. So to get from HF, you'd go H to G, and then G to F. So we can go the other way. So we could go 4 over 14 minus 5 over 2 goes to 9 over 12, which gives us basically how you go from F to H. And if you're going to go from H to F, you're going to go minus 9 minus 12. But all of that, if you're going to calculate the thing, it means you're going 12 one way or the other and 9 one way or the other. So it could be going that way and that way. But essentially, you've got to work out what that is. So x is going to be x squared will equal 9 squared plus 12 squared. So that's 81 plus 144 is x squared. So x equals the square root of whatever that is. So 144 plus 81 equals 255, and that's 15, which could be plus or minus, but it's going to be plus, isn't it? There you go. A straight line L is perpendicular to the straight line with the equation this, and it passes through the point that, and you've got to find an answer for L is. So we're going to start off by taking this equation, 2x plus y equals 9, and we're going to make it into the form y equals mx plus c. So we're going to go y equals minus 2x, because we're going to take that off both sides, plus 9. Okay, now we know that that L is perpendicular to this equation. So if you're perpendicular, you have to use a negative reciprocal. So the negative reciprocal of negative 2 is positive half. So y equals half x plus c. But we know the coordinates are 8 and 11, so we know 11 equals half times 8 plus c. So 11 equals 4 plus c, so c equals 7. So the actual answer is going to be y equals half x plus 7. Now, a curve has an equation y equals f of x. There is only one minimum point on the curve, and it's at 5, 4. Okay, so write down the coordinates of the minimum point of the curve with the equation y equals x plus 5. So that means go the opposite way. So go that way, 5. So because 5 plus 5. Anyway, so minus 5 would mean that it was 0, 4, because the y coordinate stays the same. So y equals 3 times f of x. For this one, x is going to stay the same, and y is going to go to 12, I think. And then for the last one, f of x equals minus 7. So this means it's outside the x, so it means it only affects the y. So this will stay in the same place, but this will literally go down 7. So that would be 5 minus 3. And lastly, solve the inequality 10x squared plus 11x minus 21 is less than 0. So we need something that times is to minus 210 and adds to 11. And I'm assuming that's going to be minus 10. No, yeah, it's going to be minus 10 and plus 21. So that means we're now going to do this, 10x squared minus 10x plus 21x minus 21 is less than 0. So let's just cut that in half and we get 10x, x minus 1. And we get plus 21, x minus 1. So 10x plus 21 and x minus 1, all less than 0. If we solve it, 10x plus 21 equals 0, so that's minus 21. So 10x equals minus 21, x equals minus 21 over 10. I'm just almost finishing this. It's all gone away. What do I do with it? Yeah, so this means we've actually got to the stage where we know 10x equals 21, so x equals 21 over 10 minus 21. Okay, and then the other one was x minus 1, so x equals 1. So if we draw a little thing here, we know that this goes through 1 and this goes through, that's minus 21 over 10, which is about 2.1. And that means it's all the stuff where it's under here. So it means that x is between 1 and minus 21 over 10, or minus 2.1.